Imagine going to bed tonight with the same dark spots you've been trying to hide for months, and waking up tomorrow with your skin looking smoother, brighter, and more even toned. Sounds impossible, right? Well, there's one simple, natural ingredient that has been used for centuries to heal and transform skin: castor oil. And when you combine it into the right paste and apply it before bedtime, you can target those stubborn dark spots and wake up with visibly clearer skin. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this castor oil paste, why it works, and how you can use it to fade pigmentation naturally without expensive creams, chemical peels, or risky treatments. Understanding dark spots. Before we dive into the remedy, let's quickly understand what dark spots actually are. Dark spots, also called hyperpigmentation, are areas where your skin produces more melanin than usual. Melanin is the pigment that gives your skin its color, and when it collects in certain areas, it leaves behind patches that look darker than the surrounding skin. Dark spots can be caused by many factors. Sun exposure: UV rays trigger your skin to produce more melanin to protect itself. Aging: over time, your skin cells slow down in repair, and pigmentation becomes more visible. Hormonal changes: pregnancy, menopause, or hormonal imbalances can cause melasma. Acne scars: after pimples heal, they sometimes leave behind dark marks. Skin injuries: burns, cuts, or even insect bites can cause darkened areas. While there are many creams on the market that promise to erase these spots, most are expensive, full of harsh chemicals, and take months to show results. That's why natural remedies like castor oil can be such a game changer. Why castor oil works for dark spots. Castor oil might not look like much. It's thick, sticky, and has been used for everything from relieving constipation to lubricating machinery. But when it comes to skin health, it's loaded with powerful compounds that make it one of nature's best kept beauty secrets. Here's why castor oil is so effective for fading dark spots. Rich in ricinoleic acid. This unique fatty acid has anti-inflammatory and healing properties that calm irritated skin and help repair damage. Moisturizing power: castor oil penetrates deep into the skin, keeping it hydrated and preventing dryness that can make pigmentation look worse. Natural antioxidants: it helps fight free radicals, which are one of the leading causes of skin aging and dark spots. Stimulates skin regeneration by increasing circulation. Castor oil supports the production of healthy new skin cells. Mild bleaching effect: over time, regular use can lighten pigmentation and even out skin tone naturally. The best part: unlike many chemical treatments, castor oil is gentle and suitable for most skin types when used correctly. Ingredients for the paste. To make this powerful night paste, you'll need just a few natural ingredients. 1 tablespoon castor oil, cold pressed. Organic is best for purity and maximum benefits. 1 teaspoon baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant to remove dead skin cells. Teaspoon turmeric powder, known for its anti-inflammatory and brightening properties. Few drops of lemon juice, a natural source of vitamin C that helps lighten pigmentation. If you have sensitive skin, you can skip lemon juice to avoid irritation. How to make the paste. Take a clean bowl and add 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Add the baking soda and mix gently until it forms a paste. Sprinkle in the turmeric powder and stir well. If using, add 3-4 drops of lemon juice and mix again. The paste should be smooth but thick enough to stay in place when applied to the skin. How to apply for maximum results. Cleanse your face, remove all makeup, dirt, and oil so the paste can penetrate deeply. Spot treat: apply the paste directly onto your dark spots using a cotton swab or a clean finger. Leave overnight for best results. Let it work while you sleep. Morning rinse. Wash your face with lukewarm water and a gentle cleanser. Do this 3 to 4 times per week, and you should start noticing visible improvement in 2-3 weeks. Extra tips for best results. Always use sunscreen during the day, as UV rays can darken spots again. Keep your skin hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Avoid picking or scratching your skin, as this can lead to more pigmentation. Combine this treatment with a healthy diet rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, and antioxidants. Safety and precautions. While castor oil is generally safe, here are some things to keep in mind. Do a patch test first to make sure you're not allergic. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, use sparingly, as castor oil is thick and can clog pores if overused. Avoid applying lemon juice directly to open wounds or sensitive skin. Pregnant women should consult a doctor before starting any new skin treatment. The science behind it. Modern research supports the use of natural oils like castor oil for skin repair. Ricinoleic acid is known to reduce inflammation, which is often linked to the development of pigmentation. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound proven to slow down the production of melanin. Lemon juice provides vitamin C, which helps break down excess pigment in the skin. Together, these ingredients create a synergy that targets dark spots from multiple angles, reducing inflammation, promoting skin renewal, and gently lightening discoloration. Long-term benefits of castor oil for skin. If you make castor oil a regular part of your skincare routine, you won't just notice your dark spots fading, you might also see softer, smoother skin texture, reduced fine lines and wrinkles, fewer acne breakouts due to its antibacterial properties, a healthy, radiant glow without makeup. So, there you have it, a simple, affordable, and natural way to tackle stubborn, dark spots right at home. No expensive spot treatments. No harsh chemicals, just the power of nature working while you sleep. Remember, consistency is key. You might not see dramatic changes overnight, but with regular use, your skin will thank you with a clearer, more youthful appearance. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who struggles with dark spots, and subscribe for more natural skincare remedies that actually work. And if you try this castor oil paste, let me know your results in the comments. I'd love to hear your success stories.